Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add red neon outline and lightning effect to your video on CapCut. First, just get your clip ready and go to video effect, nightclub, and then select the neon outline effect. Okay, this one. And adjust the intensity into around 50 like this. Click on the check icon and now export the video and go back and delete the effect and now add the video that you just saved in the main track. Okay, like this, and put the or set the original clip as overlay. So it will go like this, and go to cut out on the overlay and click on remove background. Okay, click on a check icon and now go to overlay again, click on add overlay and add this lightning overlay like this. Click on add, adjust the size and go to blend, click on filter, click on a check icon and you are done. But first you need to make sure that the effect is on the layer 1, so find layer and click 1. Okay, so you are done. Here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks. Bye.